Welcome to our quick guide on how to view shared links with chat on Messenger, updated for the current app layout. If you've ever wondered where those links are stored after a chat, this step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to access them in just a few taps. Start by opening the Messenger app on your device. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you can see all your conversations. Once you're inside, navigate to the chat that contains the links you're curious about. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, and the process is similar either way. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the person's name or profile picture. Tap that area to open the contact details panel. This is the gateway to all the media and links shared in that chat. On some devices, you might swipe down a tiny bit to reveal the options, but most users will just tap the name or picture directly. From here, look for an option labeled View Media, Files and Links. This is a centralized hub where Messenger collects all the content exchanged in the conversation, making it easy to locate everything without scrolling through the entire chat history. Tap on this option to continue. Inside this media hub, you'll see several tabs or sections. Tap on the one labeled Links to filter the content specifically to shared URLs. If you don't see a separate links tab right away, you may need to scroll horizontally or vertically within the hub to discover it. Messenger keeps track of each link you or others shared, often displaying a thumbnail or short preview alongside the URL. As you browse the links section, you can tap any item to open it directly within Messenger or in an external browser, depending on your device settings. You can also long press a link to reveal additional actions like opening in a new tab, copying the URL, or sharing it with another chat or app. If you ever forget where to find these links, just repeat the steps. Open the chat, tap the name or profile picture at the top, choose View Media, Files and Links, and then switch to the Links tab. It's a lightweight path to all the shared information without combing through messages. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll quickly locate any link shared in your Messenger conversations and explore or share them as needed.